In this video, you'll learn how to access the LucidLink command line interface and some useful commands to try. In addition to the Lucid app, you can use terminal commands to adjust settings, monitor activity, and more. To get started, launch Terminal on macOS, Windows, or Linux. Older versions of Windows will use the name command prompt. When you open Terminal, you'll see a mostly blank window with a blinking cursor awaiting your command. Simply type or paste any of the following commands and hit Enter to run them. Let's start with why you might want to use some of these commands. Do you ever wonder what is in your cache? Lucid Cache will return information on your cache size, cache limit, pinned size, as well as display any remaining data that is still uploading to the file space. Let's start uploading a file. Pressing up arrow on the keyboard will load the previous command, so you can quickly run a command again. See how remaining upload is getting smaller each time the command is run? The Lucid Cache command shows how much data you have pinned, but do you ever wonder which items you've got pinned? Lucid Pin will return a list of any pinned items, or items that are in the process of pinning. This can be very helpful to locate the items you no longer want to have pinned. A helpful variation of this command is Lucid Pin Unset All. This command will unpin everything on your client. Notice if we run Lucid Cache again now, the pinned data will show 0 bytes. Have you ever wanted more clarity on the read-write performance of your connection to the file space? Lucid Perf will start a continuously running dashboard that shows read-write activity for your workstation in real time. There are 3 major columns of data shown. The first shows file space activity, the second shows read-writes in the cache, and the third shows read-writes to the cloud. Note, in cloud terminology, read equals get and write equals put. See how the file we're currently uploading can be monitored in the put section of the object store column? It's important to note that Lucid Perf will show all zeros when you aren't doing anything. To monitor performance, you must play a video, upload a file, or do any kind of file space activity. To end Lucid Perf, simply type Ctrl-C. There are many more commands available through the command line interface. You can discover them using Lucid Help, or go to the LucidLink knowledge base at support.lucidlink.com. Be sure to check out our other videos.